Students, in this video we can see the sum number 18 of exercise 5c, where I see x square plus 4y square minus 9z square the whole square minus 16x square y square. So now this first term is already a perfect square, and I will change this also in a square form. So I get as x square plus 4y square minus 9z square the whole square minus 4xy the whole square. I have converted this into a form of a square minus b square. You can see difference of two squares. So the whole first term is my a and 4xy is my b. Now I have to just make my two brackets. So where I get x square plus 4y square minus 9z square plus 4xy, and I have finished my a plus b. Now I'll make my a minus b. X square plus 4y square minus 9z square minus 4xy. So I have finished making my bracket a plus b, a minus b. Now you can see further we can factorize these two brackets by rearranging the terms. So when I rearrange these terms, I get x square plus 4xy plus 4y square minus 9z square and x square minus 4xy plus 4y square minus 9z square. I have just placed the middle term with the perfect squares. The middle term gives me a hint as to how to rearrange my terms. Similarly over here also I have placed the middle terms with the perfect square. Now we can see that this is a perfect square of x plus 2y the whole square. So how do we make this bracket? Square root of the perfect square x square is x and square root of 4y square is 2y, and the sign of the middle term minus 3z the whole square. So I have made it in my form of a square minus b square. Let's move to this bracket. So here my first bracket will be x minus 2y the whole square minus 3z the whole square. So here I form my bracket. Square root of x square is x, square root of 2y square is 4y square is 2y, and the sign of the middle term. Square root of 9z is 3z. Now I have made my two brackets of a square minus b square, a square minus b square, and I will just frame my further brackets from this, a plus b and a minus b. So the first bracket will be a plus b, which is x plus 2y minus 3z, x plus 2y plus 3z. So I have finished framing the brackets of a minus b, a plus b of this a square minus b square. Now I go further on this. Here it will be x minus 2y minus 3z, and the second bracket will be x minus 2y plus 3z. So this gives me a minus b and a plus b, and this is my final answer. Thank you.